Chapter 8, Right Triangle and Trigonometry. 4 lessons only. Pythagoras theorem, special triangle, special right triangle, trigonometry, angle of elevation and the angle of depression. Pythagoras, so easy. A square, if we have right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle, hypotenuse square, which is c square, equals the sum of the square of the other two sides. Well, a square plus b square. We have converse. We have triangle a square plus c square equals a square plus b square equals c square. Then this triangle, it will be right triangle. And we have another two types of triangle. If the greatest side c square greater than the sum of the square of the other two sides, then the opposite angle is greater than right angle. It will be obtuse. We will take examples, okay? If the greatest side c square less than the sum of the square of the other two sides, then this angle is acute, and all the angles are acute, then the triangle is acute triangle. Special right angle triangle, and the other two angles the same, 45 and 45, is side root 2. Then the two sides of right angle triangle, they are equal. If 45 equals 7, 4, 4. And the hypotenuse is the same but multiplied by root 2. For example, Omar Zahir. If this side is 11, okay?
Okay.
Then this side is what?
11.
And this side is?
11 root 2.
Excellent. Easy?
Easy.
The other triangle, 30, 60. In the right angle triangle, other angles, one of them is 30 and the other 60. Then the opposite to 30, this side, have the hypotenuse. For example, Muhammad Sharif, if the hypotenuse is 10, then the side opposite to 30 equals what?
5.
Okay, 5. And the opposite to 30, 5 root 3. Then the hypotenuse, if the hypotenuse is 14, then the opposite to 30 is 7, and the opposite to 60 is 7 root 3. Trigonometry, it's so easy. Sine, cosine, and tan. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. And tan is opposite over adjacent. Easy?
Yes, so easy.
Angle of elevation and angle of depression. This angle is angle of elevation, okay? This angle. And this one is angle of depression. The very important point, they are congruent. If this one is 38, then this one is 38. Horizontal, and transversal, like letter Z, is called what? Alternate angles. Alternate, they are equal because alternate angles. We can start now. You can tell me what is the missing side?
Hypotenuse.
Yes. Solve. Don't tell me the final answer.
I know.
Say the step. Yes, Abdurrahman. What's the step? Abdullah? Okay.
6 for 2 plus 8 for 2 equal 100. Root 100 equal 10.
Excellent. 6 squared plus 8 squared to get the square of this side. To take the square root to get the length. Then 6 squared plus 8 squared equals 100. 100 is 10. Easy?
Yes.
Now I need a side, not hypotenuse. I need a side. Then the hypotenuse. Yes.
answer.
Yes, answer.
25 root 2 minus 24 root 2
Under square root.
49 root 49 equals
7. Excellent. This one, Omar Zahir,
15
squared.
15 squared.
Yes. 15 is a hypotenuse.
15 squared minus
Excellent. Minus
36 198 root answer. It didn't appear with it
decimals.
didn't appear. Yeah.
Tell me the decimals.
13.74.
Okay. What's this? When the triangle is right, now ask what? This triangle is right or no? When the triangle is right, if the greatest side, which is 19, right?
no.
19 square equals the sum of the square of the other two sides. If this condition satisfies, then the triangle is right. Use your calculator. 19 square equals how many? And 12 square plus 14 square equals how many?
False.
Then tell me, it's right?
No.
Yes or no? No, they're
No.
not equal?
Squared equal
Not equal.
not equal.
Excellent. They're not equals. Then yes, they're not equals, or no, not equals.
Not equal. No, there is not equal.
Yes, right. This triangle, acute, obtuse, or right? Number one, what's the greatest side here?
33.
33 square. Okay?
It was less than it is acute. If it was more
Acute, yeah, Mr. Acute.
Excellent. Then the sum of the other two sides, square of the other two sides. 33 square is equals the sum or smaller or greater? 1000.
smaller, then it's acute.
Wait. 33 square, the greatest side, its square is greater than or smaller than the other side?
Greater.
Greater than.
Greater than. If greater than, it will be obtuse.
Okay. Okay.
We have a right triangle and we have angle 45. Angle B 45. Then angle C is 45, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Then Abdurrahman, he said find BC, the hypotenuse. 45. This side is 11, and this side is what?
22 root 2?
No, 11 root 2. 11
11 root 2.
11 root 2.
Okay.
This rule, okay? We can solve this one. I have a side. Muhammad Sharif. Ali, okay, Ali.
Abdullah وزاهر
Omar Zahir again.
Okay.
45, then the two sides the same. 3 root 2,
Yeah.
then this side
3
3 root 2.
So
But-
it's
And this
3
one, aywa,
equal 6.
excellent. 3 root 2 times root 2.
Yeah.
Excellent. 3 root 2 times root 2. Here x root 2 equals 6. Excellent. Abdurrahman, which one of these, x or y, equals 7? 45 and right angle triangle.
What again?
Which one of these, x and y, which one is 7? Side y or x?
Y.
Excellent. Y equals 7. Then, and x equals 7 root what?
X equals 7
Root
root root 2.
root 2. Excellent. Then, which one? Use your calculator or see the
طيب أعمل
root 2.
9.8. 9.8.
7.
7.
9.8.
Yes, right. Thank you. Right. 8.9.
عبد الله اللي
هي 9.89.
Yes, but nearest tenth.
9.9.
Yes. Excellent. 7 root 2, approximately 9.9. Okay. Concentrate. The square area of a square garden is 50 meters square. How long the diagonal? Solve.
25.
No. Okay. Square, right?
5.6.
Maybe.
Area
Square.
equal
Then if this
10.
square.
10. 10.
Excellent. Who said 10?
Me, Mr. Ali.
Ali. Thank you, Ali. Two sides equals x and the hypotenuse is the diagonal x root 2, right? X root 2. Why? Because 45 in the square, 45. Then the area is side by side equal 50. X times x equal 50. X square equal 50. X equal root 50 is 5 root 2. This one 5 root 2. Then the diagonal is 5 root 2 times root 2, right?
Mr.
As the opposite to 30 have the hypotenuse. Yes, 6 have the hypotenuse. Then the third side is the opposite of 30 times root what? This one times root 3. Yes. Then x equals
6.3.
excellent. You can solve this. Opposite 30 equals half the hypotenuse.
X equals 17 root 3.
Okay. X equals 17 root 3 and y equals?
Y equals 34.
Excellent. Double the 17.
B.
Then the answer is
D.
right. Tangent ratio is what? Opposite over adjacent. What is the tangent of P? This one. What is the opposite? Opposite is 20, right?
Yes, correct.
And the adjacent is 21. Then tan P 20 over 21. Which one? Tan P 20 over 21? No. 20 over 21? No. 20 over 21? Yes. Then check tan Q. Tan Q is opposite, which is 21
over 20.
20. Then the answer is
B.
B. Excellent. Omar, Abdurrahman, Abdullah, easy?
Yes, easy. Yes.
Okay. Find the value of x and round to the nearest tenth. This x, this side, what's the position of this side according to the angle 30? Hypotenuse, opposite, or adjacent?
مستر أنا عارف.
Opposite. 7 root
Opposite.
3. 7.
Wait. It's opposite. And the given side, which is 7, what's the position? Opposite, hypotenuse or adjacent?
4 يا مستر.
adjacent.
Adjacent. Excellent. What is the ratio between opposite and adjacent? Sine, cosine, or tan?
Sine. Tan.
Tan. Then I will take tan 30 equal x over what?
7.
7. To get x, just cross product, then x equals 7 times tan 30. And use the calculator, it will be 4.04145 and so on. But he said what? Round to the nearest tenth. Then this 0 still 0 or it will be 1 according to the next one? 4. Add 1? No.
0.
It will be 4.0 means what? Means 4.
4.04.
Easy? Yes. This one, opposite and hypotenuse. It will be sine. Sine x equal 3 over root 54. To get x, take care, x as an angle. Shift sign this value. Shift sign this value. Shift sign, it will be right sine to the power of -1. 23.19 and so on. Nearest degree means units. This 3, it will be 3 or 4. 1, it will be 3, right? Because 1 less than 5.
Yeah.
اه يا مستر بتطلع 23.1 ايه سلطان
23.
بس
23, yes. Which angle it's 10 is 45. Just shift 10, 45. Shift 10, it will be 10 negative to the power of -1. 88.7 something.
88.72
Yes.
88.
9
Rounded, it will be,
88.73.
yes. Sine, cosine, and 10. Now, sine and cosine A. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? شباب عشان this one. Find x. Nearest 10th. 28. 11 is adjacent and the x is hypotenuse. What is the adjacent and the hypotenuse? Cosine.
Cosine.
Then cosine 28 equal 11 over x. Then x equal 11 over cosine and use a calculator and round to the nearest 10th, 12.5.
Point.
Yes. The same. Opposite and the hypotenuse is sine. Then sine 35 is 18 over x and complete x. Okay? So easy.
Okay.
Angle of elevation equal angle of depression. Then this angle equals
10
excellent. 10. Now, opposite over hypotenuse. It will be sine. Sine 10 equal 200 over x, right?
Sine
Opposite
Yes.
over hypotenuse.
Yes.
Then x equals 200 over sine 10, round to the nearest 10th. Okay?
okay B
Excellent. The same. Angle of elevation equal angle of depression. Then this angle inside the triangle, it will be
30.
excellent. Then opposite over adjacent means 10. Tan 30 equal x over 18 and x equal 18 tan 30 equal 10.4. Easy?
is
Easy.
Don't solve all the booklet, only these numbers.